Dear people of Slovenia, 20 years ago today, our continent reunited. And Slovenia returned home and joined the European Union. You chose Europe. Since then, you have seen your country change for the better. Trade and tourism have propelled your economy. And when devastating floods hit your country last year, Europe was immediately at your side with resources and rescue teams. Thanks to your membership, Europe has also changed for the better. Slovenians have always led by example in showing solidarity to other Europeans. You have always been ready to support your neighbors in times of hardship. You are a leading contributor to our humanitarian efforts in Ukraine. And you have always reminded us that our union is still incomplete and that all the people of the Western Balkans are part of the family. Slovenia has made Europe stronger, just like Europe has made you stronger. So happy anniversary and long live Europe.